Welcome to your practice. Today we'll do a short little practice with some pranayama just for an even balanced winding down sort of yoga session. So if you have a bolster handy or a pillow. Foam chip block is always nice, maybe a blanket, eye pillow. I'm actually going to start by sitting on my bolster to bring more height to my hips, but you can sit on the block if you like. So we'll start with some pranayama before we begin our practice. So finding your comfortable seated position, you can sit in any way you wish. I'm going to sit in Sukhasana, legs crossed. My hips are higher, knees coming down a little bit lower than the hips. Just make sure you're comfortable in any seated position of your choice. You could have the soles of the feet together. You could also have one leg out, one leg in to begin. Once you've arrived in your seated position, just take a moment to settle into your seat, feeling grounded down through the sit bones. Feel the weight of your legs heavy and relaxed, your foundation supported. And then draw awareness to your upper body, feeling lighter as you lift up through the spine, through the top of your head. Feel free to roll the shoulders up towards the ears and then draw them back, releasing them onto the back of your body. Hands resting at the knees or thighs, ideally elbows underneath the shoulders. But again, just check in what's most comfortable. Sometimes having the hands in your lap is more supportive. So just beginning, finding your tall spine, comfortable seat. Keep your gaze soft or close your eyes. And just tune into your breath, your natural breath as it is, flowing in and out of your nose. And see if you can connect to your belly breath, the low belly breath, perhaps even deeper down into the pelvic floor, the seat of the pelvis. You might even feel the breath moving into the back of your body, wrapping around the ribs from the back to the front, the shoulders. And you might hear Romeo barking as you just did, and he's joining us today next to me on the sofa for our practice, bringing his beautiful little energy in, the furry spirit energy. And then let's do some pranayama controlled breath with retention. So go at your pace. You can do a 3, 5, 8 second count. I'll be working with 5, but you do what's best for you. And if it doesn't serve you today, just do long, deep breathing and focus more at the pause at the top of the inhale and the pause at the end of your exhale. If you're not comfortable seated during your pranayama, you can lie down on your back as well. Begin with a clearing breath. Inhale through the nose. Open mouth, exhale. We'll begin with an inhale through the nose for a count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale the breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, empty. 1. Hold the breath out for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 5, 4, 3,